Okay, so I woke up to a snow day. Yep. My kids don't have school today, so I think this calls for a blueberry buttermilk pancake kind of morning. Cartoons, hot chocolate, come on. Here we go. 1 cup of oat flour, 3/4 of a cup of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 egg, 1.5 cups of buttermilk. We like the buttermilk because it's basically more acidic than regular milk, which activates with the baking soda and helps your pancakes get puffy and bubbly. So that's why we like that. 3 tablespoons of avocado oil. Mix that up. So you want to be careful not to overmix, okay? Wet ingredients into dry ingredients. Stir it up. So you don't want to overmix because it'll knock all the air out that we do have. Especially because I'm using gluten-free flours, you want to be careful not to overmix. Blueberries, toss with a little bit of flour so they don't sink to the bottom of our cakes. Walnuts. Mix it up. So if you want to thin out your batter, you don't want to add regular milk. You just want to add a little bit of water. And I might have to add a little bit of water to this, just to thin it out slightly. So now what I'm going to do, let's let this sit for 5 minutes so the buttermilk can activate with the baking soda and do its thing. And in 5 minutes, we throw it into a skillet. Okay, great. Heat up the pan, a little bit of cooking spray, a little bit of olive oil. Breakfast is ready. All right. See you guys next time. Heading out to the snow.